Hi there. Welcome back. It was just drawn to my attention I haven't formally introduced myself. So let me take some time and do that. With the birds in the background. I couldn't have said it better myself. On with the video.
Hi. My name is Carlos Octavio Carrillo and I'm a jack of all trades. Over time I became master of most of them. You're probably wondering if it's possible? Well, actually, I'm still learning.
Could you give your viewers an idea of the kind of content to expect in future videos?
Sure, for the most part, content will mostly be about the rebuilding of my motorhome.
Wait, hold up. Did I just go all AI there? This is starting to get crazy.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. You want it all? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in a win. I don't want it. Heard you scam, I had to switch up the account. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. They through the struggle, I can see another top. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merch. 6 figures, what's a gold? Now it's 9, no, I heard for the work. Used to pull up, now I swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt, that's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, I don't know sleep. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in a win. I don't want it. Heard you scam, I had to switch up the account. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. They through the struggle, I can see another drop. Yeah, same circle, still the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends, said the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a loss somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type in Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter rant. I lose $1, bet I get it back like a boomerang. My girl like diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got more, I'll be damned if they sell up for change. They want a lot of things. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God won't be $1 that can make me change. I got the power, I could get anything. I got the power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in a win. I don't want it. Heard you scam, I had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought.
We gotta do it like a vlog. It's dark in here. Okay, yes, not much has been done since my last video. Other than I put the shed up, or at least I got the top on the roof, but now it's sitting in here because the winds blew it off. So I had to rethink that whole situation. I got my fridge. The fridge is all taken apart because I had to get it out of the space in there because there was a lot of water damage and oh, here comes the rain again. So I got the, you can't see it too good, but the furnace is down there. Furnace works. I took the stove out. The stove works. That's in storage. The microwave's out. That works. It's a bit old. I might upgrade that. I got the fridge door over there. And yes, that's the top for the roof. I basically took 4 max AP canopy and made it into one, long enough to cover off the whole RV in preparation to take everything apart I'm taking 4 of those and making one. It's a 9 feet by 16 feet, but I'm turning it the opposite way. Alright, and making it into what you see outside with some wood reinforcements. Right, so basically this is what's happening, right? Because I'm alongside a building, the winds come down the back here, swing around the corner, and goes crazy. So I had to do a little extra framing to get it all solid. Right now I'm ready to sheet it off with the top, and then I'm gonna put a bigger one over the top of the original one.
Wow. That's quite a portfolio you have there. Your skills will indeed be handy for your project.
Thanks for taking the time out of your busy schedule to do this with me. I would also like to thank you, the viewers and subscribers, for your support. Feel free to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of my AI voice. And if you're new here, welcome to the journey. Subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video.